So someone who cannot read and somebody who is bound to a wheelchair, what do they have in common with you? And how can you apply it to your life? Check this out. What's up? All right, here we are. Great day to you. Excited about today. It's going to be amazing. I got my Average Sucks shirt on because average does suck. One of my favorite shirts. I get a lot of comments on this shirt when I go out in public. Anyway, hope you're doing great. Let's get into today's message and how it can impact your life. Could, would, should, but don't and won't. These words are very important, and how they apply to our life is huge. You know, you could, should do something, but do you? Do you actually do it? Do you not? What is the difference between a man who cannot read and a man who does not read? The answer is nothing. There is no difference. What is the difference between the man who can work out but doesn't and the man who's in a wheelchair and cannot work out? Nothing. It's on focusing on the things that you can do and you could do and you should do, even things that you feel like you must do, but you don't do, and more importantly, you won't do. That's stubbornness there. Won't is stubborn. Don't is a decision. Won't is stubborn. Absolutely stubborn. What is it that you can do in your life to level up? What is it that you can do to improve? What can you do for your health, your finances, your business, your trading, your family, your finances, your marriage? What is it that you can do that you are neglecting and you're not doing? And remind yourself that the difference between the man who is not doing something that he can do and the man who is not doing something because he cannot do it is the same. There is no difference. If you can read but you don't, you're no better off than the man or the woman who cannot read. So take that analogy and how can you apply it? Today's message is short, but I think it's pretty powerful. You may say, man, you chose violence this morning. What you coming at me for like this? Hey, look, my job on this video, on this platform, wherever you're listening to this message, my job is to help make you better. That's it. That's literally what fires me up with this particular thing that we do, is to help you get better. And some days it's going to be all about self-care. Some days it's all going to be about family. Some days it's all going to be about mindset. Some days it's all going to be about, letting things go from your past. Today it's a little kick in the rear that, look, man, it's time to get going. Like, don't neglect things in your life that you could be doing because you don't and you won't do them. Because that's no better than the man or the woman who doesn't have a choice. They can't do that very thing. But you do have a choice in that very thing. So make the wise choice and do what needs to be done. That's all I got for you today. See you next video. Bye for now.